Unit 8 Sharing Time Activity. Here Santosh tells about his daily routine. Hi friends, I am Santosh. I always follow the time. I wake up at 6 o'clock and brush my teeth. I take my bath at 7 o'clock. I take my breakfast at half past 8 o'clock. Half past 8 means 8:30. Next, I go to school at 9 o'clock. I take my lunch with my friends at 12 o'clock. I came back home at 4 o'clock. I play with my friends at 5 o'clock in the evening. I take my dinner at 8 o'clock and, and last I go to bed at 9 o'clock. This is my daily routine and I do it on time. So I am a good boy. Here recall one more time what does Santosh do. At 6 o'clock he wakes up and brushes. At 7 o'clock he takes bath. At half past 8, that means 8:30 a.m., he takes breakfast. At 9 o'clock he goes to school. At 12 o'clock he takes lunch with friends. At 4 o'clock he come back to home. At 5 o'clock he plays games. At 8 o'clock he takes dinner and at 9 o'clock he goes to bed. This is Santosh's daily routine. Daily routine means what he do every day in a systematic way. Like that, now you can try what to do in your daily routine. Please share your daily routine with your friends. Try it. Now, here new words are wake up. Wake up means to get up from the bed. అంటే నిద్ర లేవడం. Next, always. Always means every time. అంటే ఎప్పుడు. Breakfast. Breakfast means what we eat in the morning. ఉదయం పూట మనం తినేటువంటి ఆహారం. Lunch. Lunch means what we eat in noon. మధ్యాహ్నం మనం తినేటువంటి ఆహారం. Dinner. Dinner means what we eat at night. రాత్రి తినే భోజనాన్ని డిన్నర్ అంటారు. Here you observe food items what we eat. Generally we eat three times. One is morning, the another one is afternoon, and last one is night. What we eat in the morning that we call breakfast. What we eat at noon that mean is called lunch. What we eat at night that mean is called dinner. This is the difference between breakfast, lunch and dinner. Here breakfast అంటే ఉదయం తినే భోజనం, లంచ్ మధ్యాహ్నం తినే భోజనం, డిన్నర్ రాత్రి తినే భోజనం. Daily means every day what activities we done. Routine means it is continuous in a systematic way in certain time. That means routine. అంటే ఒక క్రమ పద్ధతిలో ఒకే సమయానికి అది రోజు జరుగుతూ ఉంటే దాన్ని రొటీన్ అంటాం. Now answer the following questions. When does Santosh wake up? Santosh wakes up at 6 o'clock. Very good. When do you wake up? I wake up at 5 o'clock. Very good. Which activities do you do on your own at home? Brushing, bathing, eating. So many items, activities are done by one. Very good. Keep it up. Next activity 2. Put the tick mark from the correct statement and wrong mark for wrong statement. Here you observe statement 1. Santosh wakes up at 6 o'clock. Does Santosh wakes up at 6 o'clock? Yes, he wakes up at 6 o'clock. So this statement is correct one. So we put tick mark against the first statement. Next, second one. Santosh takes his bath at 9 o'clock. Does he takes his bath at 9 o'clock? No, he doesn't. He takes his bath at 7 o'clock. Here given 9 o'clock. So this statement is wrong. So we put wrong mark against the statement. Next, third one. He eats his lunch at 12 o'clock with his friends. Does Santosh eats his lunch at 12 o'clock? Yes, he eats his lunch at 12 o'clock with his friends. So this statement is correct. Next statement. Santosh plays with his friends at 8 o'clock in the evening. Does he play at 8 o'clock? No, he plays at 5 o'clock. So this statement is wrong. So we put wrong mark against the statement. Last statement. Santosh goes to bed at 8:30 o'clock. Does Santosh go to bed at 8:30? No. Santosh goes to bed at 9 o'clock. So this statement also wrong. You do like this.